Hey food lovers! Today I'm diving into the scrumptious world of the MaltéeSandwich, a delight that's been tickling taste buds far and wide. So strap in and let's get cooking. First off, what exactly is a MaltéeSandwich? Picture this: 2 slices of perfectly toasted bread, enveloping a melody of flavors that are about to dance on your palate. This isn't just any sandwich, it's a culinary journey. The star of our show today is the malt bread. This isn't your regular loaf. Malt bread comes with a slightly sweet, rich flavor that sets the foundation for our sandwich masterpiece. Make sure you toast it just right, golden and crisp, ready to mingle with the toppings. Now let's talk fillings. The MaltéeSandwich embraces versatility. Whether you're a meat lover or a vegetarian, there's a version just for you. For the classic approach, layer on thinly sliced cured ham, a swipe of creamy Dijon mustard, and top it off with a handful of peppery arugula. The peppery notes of the arugula beautifully offset the sweetness of the malt bread. For a vegetarian twist, replace the ham with grilled eggplant slices, adding a smoky depth that's simply irresistible. Don't forget a good sprinkle of feta cheese for that tangy kick. But here's the secret sauce. Literally, whether you go traditional or vegetarian, drizzling a bit of honey over the fillings before you add the top slice takes this sandwich from delicious to divine. It's the perfect counterbalance to the mustard and unifies all the flavors under a sweet savory umbrella. And there you have it! Simple, satisfying, and oh so delicious, the MaltéeSandwich is a testament to the magic of mixing flavors and textures. Whether it's a quick lunch or a special weekend treat, this sandwich promises to elevate your mealtime. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and unlock the delicious secrets of the MaltéeSandwich. Enjoy every bite, and remember, the best